Welcome to the Quadcopter review. Here we are today doing our Venom props and honey patch giveaway. I kind of forgot I was going to do this at the end of the month. Got so many giveaways going on I kind of forgot, but here we are today doing the giveaway. So let's go ahead and do our giveaway process. If you haven't seen this before, I grab the URL of the video. We stick it in the random comment picker. See how many comments we've got. We're going to filter out duplicate users. So you should still be in there, just won't put you in there twice. We've got 210 unique commenters. And what we do is we smash the start button and we see who's going to be the winner of this stuff. Let's see who we get here. Me. I won. Look at that. I won. Random YouTube picker picks me, so I get to keep all this stuff. Haha. Just kidding, guys. I don't know why it did that, but let's pick another winner. Here we go. Here we go again. See if it works this time. All right. We got Adam Pinkerton. So, Adam Pinkerton, what I'm going to write you a comment. Make sure you check your comments to write back to me, and I'm going to ask you in that comment to write me Pepe Prawns, PEPEPRAWNS at thequadcopterreview.com, so you and I can connect and I can get your address and stuff and get this package sent off to you. So congratulations to Adam Pinkerton, and we appreciate everybody getting in on this one. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel because I'm always giving stuff away. There's 2 other giveaways going on right now, and I'm going to be announcing the giveaway of that little starter package there that really wasn't meant to be a giveaway, but everybody was kind of interested in it, so I'm giving it away anyway. So make sure you look for that. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to leave this video up. Doesn't mean I'm doing more giveaways. I'm going to put a note on it that the giveaway has ended, but I'm going to leave it up just because it was a review as well. So as always, guys, thanks for participating in this one. Make sure you participate in the rest of the giveaways, and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.